Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, and technology enthusiasts, it is with great excitement and anticipation that we gather here today to unveil a masterpiece of innovation, a true game-changer in mobile technology, the Huawei Pura X. In a world where smartphones are not just communication devices but essential tools for work, creativity, and entertainment, the Pura X stands at the forefront of an evolutionary leap forward. Today, we embark on a journey into the future, where technology seamlessly integrates with human potential, redefining what is possible. A new era of design and aesthetics. The Huawei Pura X is not just a smartphone, it is a statement of elegance and sophistication. With an ultra-slim and lightweight design, meticulously crafted for the modern user, this device is a blend of beauty and durability. Featuring a premium glass and metal finish, the Pura X is not only aesthetically pleasing but also ergonomically designed for an exceptional in-hand feel. Its bezel-less display ensures an immersive viewing experience, making every interaction more engaging and intuitive. A visual marvel, the display revolution at the heart of the Pura X lies an astonishing 6.8-inch full-view OLED display, boasting a 120Hz refresh rate and ultra-high resolution that brings colors to life with breathtaking clarity. Whether you are watching videos, gaming, or editing photos, the Pura X delivers an unparalleled visual experience. With HDR-enhanced technology, it adapts to various lighting conditions, ensuring crystal-clear quality no matter where you are. Unparalleled camera capabilities. Huawei has always been synonymous with cutting-edge mobile photography, and the Pura X takes it to the next level. Equipped with an advanced ultra-vision camera system, this device features a 50MP primary sensor, an ultra-wide lens, and a periscope telephoto lens for extreme zoom capabilities without compromising quality. Whether capturing landscapes, low-light portraits, or high-speed action shots, the Pura X ensures stunning results. AI-powered enhancements refine every shot, giving users professional-grade photography at their fingertips. Performance that exceeds expectations. Under the hood, the Huawei Pura X is powered by the latest Kirin flagship processor, engineered for speed and efficiency. With AI-driven performance optimizations and enhanced cooling technology, the device delivers seamless multitasking, lag-free gaming, and lightning-fast app launches. Backed by 12GB RAM and up to 1TB of storage, the Pura X is built to handle anything you throw at it. A battery that keeps up with you. In today's fast-paced world, we need a smartphone that keeps up with our busy lives. The Pura X comes with a massive 5000 mAh battery, ensuring all-day usage without interruptions. Thanks to 66W supercharge technology, you can charge up to 70% in just 30 minutes, and with wireless fast charging, you are always powered up and ready to go. Smart and secure ecosystem. With Harmony OS, the Huawei Pura X offers a seamless and intelligent user experience. Enhanced security features such as face recognition, under-display fingerprint scanning, and AI-driven threat detection ensure that your data remains protected at all times. The Pura X is also integrated into Huawei's seamless AIoT ecosystem, allowing effortless connection with smart devices, wearables, and more. A commitment to sustainability. Huawei continues to lead the way in eco-friendly innovation. The Pura X is built using sustainable materials and energy-efficient components, reducing its carbon footprint. With recyclable packaging and energy-efficient battery technology, Huawei reaffirms its dedication to a greener future. Conclusion: the future is here, ladies and gentlemen. The Huawei Pura X is more than just a smartphone. It is a revolution in design, photography, performance, and sustainability. It represents the pinnacle of Huawei's dedication to innovation and user experience. Whether you are a professional, a content creator, or a tech enthusiast, the Pura X is designed for you. Today, we welcome a new era of smart technology. Are you ready to experience the extraordinary? Thank you for watching our videos. Please like and subscribe our channel Jucter.